the crucial subject expert committee of the drug regulator is meeting and considering the applications of Serum Institute and Bharat Biotech for the emergency use authorization of their vaccine candidates. Serum Institute of India's presentation is over. Bharat Biotech presentation was on last we reported. Sources say that good news is expected in the next couple of hours. That's what sources are telling us. Let's listen into what the health minister said a few hours back.
आप जानते हैं कि अभी वैक्सीन के बारे में देश में बहुत तेजी से गंभीरता से प्रयास हो रहा है और 2 वैक्सीन तो कम से कम ऐसी हैं जिन्होंने हमारे जो ड्रग कंट्रोलर के पास एक्सपर्ट्स के पास अप्रूवल के लिए अपनी जो एप्लीकेशन है लगाई हुई है और उनको अप्रूवल देने के संदर्भ में उनके डाटा को बहुत एग्रेसिवली बहुत प्रोएक्टिवली स्टडी किया जा रहा है.
Let's go across to Sukirti Dwivedi, who's been tracking all the developments happening at that meeting. Sukirti, tell us what's the latest.
Well, Rohit, from what we've learned from our sources, the subject expert meeting is still going on. 2 main applications under review at this point of time, Serum Institute of India and Bharat Biotech. But of course, even though Bharat Biotech has represented its data, Serum Institute of India is being considered the front runner since they've already gotten approval in the UK and they've presented all their data to the Indian drug regulator so far, especially to this expert panel, and they've made their presentations as well based on this data. And what we've heard from both the Union Health Minister as well as from the Indian drug regulator earlier, positive hints so far in terms of India getting a vaccine, because the Union Health Minister had said that good news on the vaccine front is expected soon. The Indian drug regulator had said that probably India will have a happy new year with something in hand. So that is as far as the updates coming from the ministry are concerned. But as far as the meeting is concerned, it is still going on. We still do not know whether or not they will be making a recommendation in favor of SII. That is why an expectation at this point of time, but we do not know that yet. As far as processes are concerned, this expert panel will make a recommendation saying whether or not SII should get an approval or not get an approval, and then the Indian drug regulator will take a final call. But of course, this is the expert panel. They are the ones reviewing all the data. So the DCGI's decision will be more of a formality than an additional review, because review and all the data analysis is to be done by the expert panel here at the drug regulator's office. The final decision by Dr. V.G. Somani, who's the Drug Controller General of India, will be a procedural issue at this point of time, but still it is a process that has to be followed. So all eyes right now on the SEC meeting. From what we know, the meeting is still going on, and going by what authorities have been saying, we are likely to hear a good news, considering Union Health Minister said that a good news on the vaccine front is expected soon.
So good news expected soon. Sukirti Dwivedi, I want to ask you what happens after this approval comes. Once this approval comes, how quickly the vaccine can be rolled out? Because the government has started early building the infrastructure, holding dry runs and all of that. How soon can the vaccine be rolled out once this approval comes from the drug regulator?
Well, yes, there are certain procedures that have to be followed. One, the expert committee will make a recommendation to the drug regulator. Then the drug regulator will give a go-ahead saying that yes, this vaccine can be used in India. And then things will be forwarded to the health ministry, who will then decide on the implementation process. Now, the Serum Institute of India says that their 50 million first doses are all ready to be shipped out. The government on its part is already holding a dry run tomorrow, but it could take anywhere between 4 to 5 days for the vaccine to actually roll out, because that is the kind of timeline that is followed across all nations. Once the approvals are in place, they have to work out the logistics on ground.
All right, Sukirti Dwivedi, keep tracking those developments at that crucial SEC meeting for us. We'll keep coming back to you through the evening as that meeting progresses.